This scene looks familiar. We've been here before. We're in the Vienna train station. Actually,
I fucking left my water bottle on the train.
did you really?
I did.
Well, hopefully someone tells your dog you say hi. We're in the Vienna train station, minus one water bottle. We're actually visiting Vienna this time. She's gonna be pissed the rest of the night because she just ordered that sticker. We got like 2 days here before we go back to Spain, so hopefully make the most out of it. So it turns out, first day of travel day, August 15th, is the Assumption of Mary, which is a holiday. Like apparently the one holiday you get off in Austria, so everything's closed. Including the market we're gonna try to go to, most of the restaurants. And she managed to find some water though.
Spicy water.
Yeah, con gas, as they would say in more countries than this one.
Spicy water.
So now we're gonna go try to find a restaurant. We think we saw one right up here. Now we're going to try to go to around the corner to grab a little bit of food. And since that settles that, we'll get started in the morning. Do some research like keep going in the morning. So first full day in Vienna. Now the stars, look at that. There you go. I'm not going to sing it, but we are going to do a walking tour, and then we don't know what else. We're going to the Harry Potter bar at 6:30 today. I think it's 6:30, something like that. And then we don't know what it's going to get to.
Her a water bottle for me.
And we're going to go to an outdoor store to get her a water bottle and a carabiner.
That's what it was.
Alright, we have water bottle now. Mission complete. Not that one, there's one in there. And now we're gonna go do partially complete. She got one for the interim until she sees one she likes. Watch, in a year she'll still have that one.
Possible. I find a hydroplastic maybe that one. Like, it's not like I'm like, or like one like that has like a wider spout and is better.
I'm not saying you shouldn't. Absolutely. More water the better on this trip, as evidenced by that girl that was playing in the thing. And we're gonna kill some time for going to the Harry Potter bar. So second/last full day in Vienna. We leave tomorrow morning stupid early, like 2:30 in the morning. We gotta be at the hostel. And so today we're doing
Might as well just stay at the party.
we're doing a Ringstrasse tour on the tram. 1 second.
I don't think I'm gonna stop.
So as I was saying, Ringstrasse tour on the tram, which is probably going to be pretty boring video-wise, because we're just going to be on the tram most of that, or all of that, I think. It's like 40 minutes, I think. 40 minutes, I think. I don't know. I'm just pulling that based on what we did yesterday. But I'll check. And then we don't know what we're doing after that, and then we're packing. We're grabbing Afghan food today. Fingers crossed. We missed that yesterday. We were both bummed. And then we're going to pack and leave stupid early. So Joe's currently out of pocket, so I went to get us more Afghan food. So I got to watch him make it and everything. And this is going to be extremely delicious. And I hope she's back in time to eat it, because if not, it may not live through me eating it. Way too freaking early in the morning o'clock. Actually,
4:27 to be precise.
yeah, it's only 4:27. I've only been awake for 2.5 hours. We had to wait.
27 minutes to be precise.
Get up, get on the road, get a bus.
Vending machine coffee.
Vienna. Ooh. Hey, they had those in the walls, in that one wall in Rome. And we're going to Madrid, which then we're going to Seville. So it's gonna be a long day of travel.